Welcome to Rails the Car Guy, another video. This is a Toyota Prius. We're doing a front brake job on a Toyota Prius. And basically what you do, yeah, I'm always halfway done when I show you guys this. But basically you take the tire off first, 5 lugs. This is going to be down like that. This is going to be right here. So this is the caliper. You got to raise that up. So to take it off, got to unscrew this bottom screw only. You can leave the top one. Unscrew the bottom screw. It's a I don't know, like a 14 millimeter or a 9/16. Unscrew that. Raise this up, and that's the caliper. And your brake pads are going to be sitting in there. Let me put one in for you, like so. So what you do is you move these out of there, either that with your hand or with a flathead screwdriver. Put that here, pop it out. That's your brake pads. As far as the caliper piston goes, you might want to use a C-clamp and put one of your old brake pads on there. That's the way I do it. Put your old brake pad on there, like so. Use a C-clamp, put back here like that, and twist in until you push that all the way back. So this piston goes all the way back. Then, to reinstall your brakes, you get the new brake pads. Make sure the clip goes on the same, you get the same clip that you had on the side. This one actually went to the back. It's going to go back there. And when you get the new pads, you just replace them. Probably got to go in at an angle like that. Put that on there. Close that down. Usually you have to push that in like that. Push that in, put the screw in there. Then you go into the car. You pump your brakes like 5 times to add the brake pressure back. 5 to 10 times you pump your brakes, put the tire on, you're done. Go to the other side, do the same thing. Put the tire on, you're done. You pump your brakes up until they get hard, and you're done. Go test drive it, man, and you should be fine. That's how you do brakes on a Toyota Prius.